Hello students. So we were solving linear equations in two variables using substitution method. So in today's video, let's learn one more method, that is the elimination method. So the name itself indicates that we are going to eliminate something. Okay, we have got two variables, isn't it? Linear equation in two variables. Out of these two variables, we are going to eliminate one of the variable. Okay, that is why this method is known as elimination method. Okay, so as you can see, I've taken the first question, and in the right side, I've taken some few more questions. Let's solve this later. First, let's solve the first question. So the first question is 2x minus 3y is equal to 13. 7x minus 2y is equal to 20, isn't it? So let's rewrite the equations. 2y is equal to 20. Now, what we have to do is, the first step, we have to choose a variable that we are going to eliminate. Okay, you have to choose x or y that you're going to eliminate. Okay, let me eliminate x. I'm choosing to eliminate x. Okay, it's your wish, x or y, anything is fine. Okay, now, so we have selected x. Okay, so that is we are going to eliminate x. To eliminate x, you have to make sure that the coefficients are same in both the equations. For example, in the first equation, what is the coefficient of x? The coefficient of x in the first equation is 2, isn't it? In the second equation, the coefficient of x is 7. That is, if you're trying to eliminate x, you have to check a1 and a2. a1 is 2 here, a2 is 7. So both are not same. If they are not same, we cannot eliminate it. They have to be same, so that if you subtract it, they'll get eliminated, isn't it? Excuse me. So here the coefficients are 2 and 7. They are not same, so we'll make them same, that is using the LCM. So LCM of 2 and 7 is 14, isn't it? So this 2, we'll try to make this 2 as the LCM, that is 14. So if this 2 has to become 14, then I have to multiply by 7. So I have to multiply everything by 7. So multiply throughout by 7. Here, this 7 has to be made 14. So 7 into 2 is 14. Therefore, let me multiply throughout by 2. Okay. So let's multiply that. So 2 into 7x is 14x minus 7 into 3 is 21y. 7 into 13 or 13 into 7 is 91. 2 into 7 is 14x, again minus 2 2s are 4y, equal to 2 into 20 is 40. So here we have made the coefficients same, isn't it? Now if you observe, the coefficients are same in both the equations. Okay, now the next step is you have to check whether the numbers have got same sign, that the coefficients, here also it is plus 14, here also it is plus 14. So if I want to eliminate it, basically what we are trying to do is subtract it. Okay, so here plus 14 and plus 14 both have got same sign, they'll add, right? If you've got same sign, the numbers will add. So but to eliminate it, we have to subtract it. So what we are going to do is we're going to change the sign of the second equation. To make it simpler, just remember this: if both the coefficients have got same sign, plus and plus or minus and minus, if they have got same sign, then change the sign for the second equation. That is, this plus will become minus, minus will become plus, again plus will become minus, only for the second equation. Okay, we have to do this procedure when the both the numbers have got same sign. For example, let's say it is like this: minus 3x plus 2y is equal to 10, minus 3x plus 6y is equal to 9. If you observe here, both the numbers are what? Similar, isn't it? Minus 3, minus 3. Then we have to change the sign. Plus will become minus, minus will become plus. Suppose if they've got different sign, let's say minus 3x and plus 3x. Here we need not change. Okay, let's proceed directly. Okay, so I hope you have understood that. So since both have got same sign, we are going to change the sign for the second equation. So we have done that. Now if you observe, plus 14x minus 14x gets cancelled. Now if you observe, in the first equation it is minus 21y. In the second equation you should not take this symbol. Okay, remember that. You should take the new symbol. So it is plus 4y minus 21y plus 4y gives you minus 17y. Again, this is plus 91 minus 40. Plus 91 minus 40 is 51. 91 minus 40 is 51. Therefore, y is equal to 51 by minus 17. Therefore, what do we get? Let me solve it here. Therefore, we get y is equal to 51 by minus 17. Or I can get that minus to the numerator. So 17 ones are 17 threes are. Therefore, the y value is negative 3. Once we get the value of y, we can find the value of x using any one of the equation. It's our wish. Let me take the first one itself. 2x minus 3y is equal to 13. So here 2x minus 3, what is the value of y that we have found? Minus 3. Let's substitute it, equal to 13. So 2x minus into minus is plus, 3 3s are 9, equal to 13. Therefore 2x is equal to 13. Plus 9 to the other side will become minus 9. So 2x is equal to 4, implies x is 4 divided by 2, which implies x is. So we got the value of x. You can also verify it. Put the values of x and y in the question and check whether it is satisfying. What is the equation? 2x minus 3y is equal to 13. 2 into x is 2 minus 3. Y value is also minus 3. So 2 into 2 is 4. Minus into minus plus. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 4 is 13. 13 equals 13. So it is satisfying the first one. Let's check for the second one. 7 into 2 minus 2 into minus 3 equal to 20. 7 into 2 is 14, minus into minus plus, 2 3s are 6. 14 plus 6 is equal to 20. It is satisfied, isn't it? So both the equations are satisfied. Therefore, the values that we have found are correct. So let me summarize. See, the first step, you have to choose the variable that you're going to eliminate, either x or y. It's your wish. Okay. Once you choose the variable, make sure that the coefficients are same. Okay. And do not think like this. See, remember, here we have got 7 and here we have got 2. It's not like this. I have not taken this 2 and multiplied here and this 7. It's not like that. Okay. Do not consider it like that. Do not understand it like that. Okay. I'll give you a different example. Okay. Let's take this question itself. 3x plus 4y is equal to 10. 6x plus 2y, or let's say 10y is equal to some 15 or something. Okay, we have to solve this. Now I'm going to eliminate x, variable x. So if you observe here, the variable the coefficient is 3 and here the coefficient is 6. The coefficient are not same, so we have to make them same. How? By taking LCM. So what is the LCM of 3 and 6? The LCM of 3 and 6 is 6 itself, isn't it? So here this 3 has to become 6, so I have to multiply it completely by 2. But here already you got 6, isn't it? So you need not multiply anything. But sometimes I have seen students doing like this, mistaking that, see, this will be multiplied by 6 and here they multiplied by 3. This is also correct, but this is bit lengthy, okay, and difficult also. So we are not multiplying this number to this equation and this number 6, this number to the above equation. We are not doing like that. Remember, that is not the procedure. The procedure is make sure that the coefficients are same. If they are same, no problem. If they are not same, take LCM and make them same. Okay, so what is LCM of 2 and 7? It is 14. So to make this 2 as 14, we'll multiply by 7. And to make this 7 as 14, we'll multiply by 2. That is completely by 2. So once you do that, you'll get two new equations. Then check for the sign. If both have got same sign, change it. Different sign, don't change it, proceed. So as soon as you proceed, you will get one value, y or x. Once you get that, substitute it in any one of the equation 1 or 2. You will get the value of x and y. Okay. And once you get the value of x and y, you can verify yourself. You can pause the video here, and as you can see, there are certain questions. Question number 2, question number 3, question number 4, question number 5. You can pause the video and you can solve all the questions here and you can try it out. Anyhow, I'm going to solve these questions. So let me take the second question. I've already solved it. So if you observe, the question is 3x minus 5y equal to 19 minus 7x plus 3y equal to minus 1. So as usual, let me solve it again. So if you observe, I am trying to eliminate x. X coefficient is 3 in the first one. In the second equation, it is minus 7. Both are different. So let's take LCM. Don't worry about the sign. Just take the numbers. The numbers are 3 and 7. LCM is 21. So to make this 3 as 21, I have to multiply by 7. And to make this 7 as 21, I have to multiply by 3. So I've done that. 3 into 7, 21x. So you can see here, I've multiplied by 7 and I've written it. And I've multiplied by 3 and I've written it. So as soon as I get the new equations, if you observe in this equation here, you got plus and here you got minus, two different signs. Okay, they don't have same sign. We have to change the sign only if the signs are same, but here they are different, so we need not change. Okay, so as you can see, plus 21 minus 21x gets cancelled, both gets cancelled, and minus 35 plus 9, different sign, we have to change it. So minus 35 plus 9 gives you minus 26. 133 minus 3 gives you 130. So on solving this, you will get the value of y. Once you get the value of y, you can substitute in any one of the equation, first one or second one. I've taken the first one and I've substituted. I've got the value of x. Okay. So this is regarding the elimination method. Let me also show you the next problem, the solution for the next problem. As you can see, again, I'm eliminating the x variable itself. The coefficient of x are not same. That is 2 and 5. They are not same. To make them same, we have taken LCM. Then after taking LCM, both the numbers are with same sign. So I'm going to change the sign and proceed. Okay. Once we solve it, we'll get the value of y. We'll get the value of y. Once we get the value of y, you can find the value of the other variable using any one of the equation. Now coming to the fourth one, as you can see in the fourth equation, okay, if you observe here, this is my first equation in the fourth question. In the fourth question, the first equation, if you observe, the coefficients are rational numbers. As I told you in the previous video, x by 7 can be written as 1 by 7 into x. So here the coefficient of x is 1 by 7, which is a rational number. So if it is a rational number, it is a bit difficult to solve. So how do we solve this? Let's take the LCM of 7 and 6, isn't it? In the previous video, we have already done this. As you can see here, I have taken the LCM of 7 and 6, which is 42. To make this 7 as 42, I have to multiply by 6 for both numerator and denominator. To make this 6 as 42, I have to multiply and divide by 7 for both numerator and denominator. So that's what we have done it. So once you do that, both the denominators are same. So therefore, you can write it once, send it the other side, you will get equation 1. This is our equation 1. Apply the same procedure, you will get equation 2. Okay. Once you get equation 1 and 2, you can solve by elimination method, which we have already discussed. Okay. And the fifth question we have already discussed in the previous video. That is, you have to multiply by 10, because after decimal point, there is only one digit. So you have to multiply throughout by 10. If you don't know how to solve fifth question, please watch the previous video. Definitely you will understand. You will get two equations in standard form. Once you get in standard form, easily you can solve it. So this is all about elimination method. In the next video, let's start with cross multiplication method. Thank you, students.